Hello, are you looking for a really low maintenance, low water use desert adaptable tree? That's what this video is about. We're going to talk about the desert ironwood tree, and I'll be sure to add the botanical name here to the bottom. My name is Eli Hall. I'm with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. This tree is really a great tree. It's the only tree that grows here in the Sonoran desert. So if you see them here, you're in the Sonoran desert. They're very slow growing. It's an evergreen desert tree that gets to be about 20 to 30 feet in height. They are a rounded crown with tiny little leaves and small blooms. They have like silver-like branches, and their trunk starts to separate a little bit and gets really aggressive looking as they mature. They do have about a 25-foot wide canopy, so they can get pretty wide. I've actually seen even larger versions of really mature ones that, and I think I found one online that had a record height of like 45 feet in height. So they can get really tall, but they grow naturally in the desert, which is really cool. It's just a great, really low water use desert tree. Obviously they do better with more water in your desert landscape. It does have small thorns, and it does have seasonal litter. They have tiny little pinkish / lavender colored blooms in the growing season. Spring season usually is when those will start to bloom. They do best in full sun. Obviously they grow really well here in our desert climate. It is an evergreen tree, but under extreme frost can lose all its leaves and it'll come right back. It's very hardy, can handle our extreme colds here. And like I said, very drought tolerant. So you'll see these naturally growing in the desert. They don't grow very fast because of their, they're obviously not getting regular water, but they will go a little quicker if you have them added to your desert landscaping drip irrigation. We recommend light pruning with these just to keep the canopies up if you're in a, your maintained landscape. But if you have it like in a natural area, these can just be left alone. They'll almost look a little bush-like because they'll fill in so lushly and dense. And like I said, they have thorns, on both the branches and their trunks. And so they're just tiny little thorns, but they can be an irritant. They're not really prone to much disease or any pest concerns, but they are just a really special tree for here in our Arizona desert climate. So if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. Our website is azlawns.com. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook at AMS Landscaping, and follow us on Twitter and Instagram at azlawns. Make it a great day.